After understanding the types and materials of communication conduits, this video will have a deeper look into its codes, standards, and installation practices that ensure performance and safety. In North America, their NEMA TC 6 and 8 outlines the requirements for PVC plastic utility ducts used in underground systems. ASTM F512 defines specifications for rigid PVC conduit fittings for telecommunications, and the TIA EIA 569 addresses the layout and pathways for telecommunications infrastructure in commercial buildings. In Canada, the CSA C22.2 No. 211.1 standard applies to rigid pneumatic conduit suitable for direct burial and concrete encasement. And in Australia and New Zealand, AS and AS 2053 governs conduit systems for electrical and communications use. These standards ain't just about product specifications, but also about ensuring system longevity, personal safety, and ease of maintenance. And for communication conduit installations, there are several factors need to be considered. First, it should be installed with adequate spacing from power lines to reduce signal interference. Second, the conduit system must ensure proper grounding and bonding to avoid electrical shock hazards and to ensure signal integrity. And third, for outdoor and underground applications, the conduits must be able to withstand environmental factors of temperature fluctuations, moisture, and UV exposure. Above all, each installation must align with local electrical codes and standards to ensure long-term reliability. By staying compliant with industry standards and the best practices, communication conduit installations not only protect vital data lines, but also simplify maintenance and scaling as digital needs grow. If you have any questions, leave us a comment and email us.